If it's misspelled, does that invalidate the whole patent? The answer is no, thank goodness. You can correct a patent with a certificate of correction, and that's through the MPEP section 1480, for those that really want to know. The cool thing there is, so long as it's not you weren't on purpose about it or defrauding the patent office in any way, trying to trick, the office that you're somebody else, and then, oh, nope, sorry, I made a mistake. They'll make you attest that there is no fraud involved. It's usually not a big deal for individuals. It may be more of an issue if the name of an applicant is a company. There may be some more things involved with that.
Yeah, I'll tell you, if the name was misspelled on the trademark, you are in trouble.
Ooh, tell me, would it be just you would not have registration or be owned by some non?
You'd be registered with the wrong name, right? Which would be a problem. Okay. So I've had that happen once in my career where we submitted an application with a misspelling error in it. And then we went to go submit the specimen, so the proof of use for the application, right? And the examining attorney noticed that they were spelled slightly differently. But the good news there was that because it was just like a one vowel change, they were able to amend the application because it didn't have a commercial impact on, people viewing.
So it was still an application.
Yeah, so okay. It was still okay to change it at that point.
Oh, I just got under the wire. Well, that's good, but yeah,
Scary though. Yeah, I thought I was going to be eating the cost and refiling.